What if people were consistently, unashamedly honest about how they really feel about road pirates, including the attractive ones? And I mean brutally honest.
Can I have you remove your sunglasses so I know who I'm talking to?
I'm not going to. I don't even want to talk. I hate the police.
Oh, man, I don't like that.
I hate you guys. I hate you guys so much. When I pray that you guys' car explodes.
Why is that?
You guys are all evil and bad. If you take off that costume, that clown costume, then I'll talk to you.
Ripple Effect. This is from Ripple Effect Media. Now, how I got my hands on this, or actually my eyes, how I got my eyes on this was through David from San Joaquin Valley Transparency. This is a video that he just recently highlighted. Hats off, tip of the hat to David. He does great work over there. If you're not subscribed to San Joaquin Valley Transparency, you really need to take a look at his stuff. He's got a whole lot of good stuff. I will leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment when this video gets done rendering. But I want to show you how this guy is just honest and tells this cop how he feels about police officers. Listen to this. This is classic.
Hey, Mr. Alvarez?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Hey, can you step out really quick and talk to me back here?
Yeah.
Mr. Alvarez, who's your passenger? Is he shy? Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Oof.
What's up?
What's up? I was just...
She seems like such a cheerful person. It's like, get out of the thin blue line, girl.
wondering, can I have you remove your sunglasses so I know who I'm talking to?
I'm not going to. I don't even want to talk. I hate the police.
Oh, man, I don't like that.
I hate you guys. Like,
But you
if
have
I
a-
do,
is
and
that-
I don't have
isn't
my
that like a cop
trifold.
car? Isn't that like a cop car?
I don't answer questions. It's a mockery of the police. I hate you guys so much. Like when I pray that you guys get over here, Rosie. I pray that you guys' car explodes.
Why is that?
Because you guys are all evil and bad.
She is not used to, there's a lot of people that feel like that in the depths of their heart, but they would never, ever verbalize it, especially not like that. And, maybe they would do it, if worse came to worse and they were backed into a corner and the cop was being belligerent, but nobody would do that to a cop who seems to be acting nice. By the way, you never want to trust smiling tyranny, because smiling tyranny is still tyranny. You never want to trust pretty tyranny, because pretty tyranny is still tyranny. So while a lot of people feel like this, they would never verbalize it. And if they ever did verbalize it, it would be, the situation would almost seem to warrant it. But can you imagine if everybody was honest with all police officers, no matter how they acted? Because this is how we feel about the Gestapo. Ain't nothing good about you guys. I can't stand you. When I pray for you, I'm actually praying against you.
Why do you think that?
Well, if there was a good one, there would be no bad ones, and there's a ton of bad ones. So yeah.
Well, I don't think I'm.
So what's up though? You're cute. I mean,
I
I would
thank
bang you, but I would
mean,
never fucking anything other than that.
What if we,
Did you hear what he just said? He said, "You're cute. I'd bang you," but listen to this again. It happened so fast. I didn't even expect it the first time I watched it.
Ton of bad ones. So yeah.
well, I don't think I'm.
So what's up though? You're cute. I mean, I would
thank
bang you, but I would
mean,
never fucking anything other than that.
What if we do it along the lines that, like, I'm gonna be respectful to you, okay?
Yeah, I'm not respectful to cops. It'd be best
That's
if you just
fine.
stopped
That's fine.
talking
If you
to
want
me.
to look at me as an officer,
Yeah, I
totally
do.
understand
If you
that.
take off that costume, that clown costume, then I'll talk to you.
Well, if you took off your sunglasses, it'd probably be easier to speak
What's up
with
though?
you.
What do you want?
I was just seeing who you are.
Oh,
and
I don't want
everything
you
like
to know
that.
who I am. I'm incognito.
And you have that right. It's not a
I
big
know my
deal.
rights.
Why are you an incognito?
Because I might have warrants.
Something I appreciate about this guy. Number one, the honesty. The honesty in the face of tyranny. You have to admit, if you're being honest, when a cop pulls you over, your life hangs by this tiniest, the most microscopic spider's web. Your life hangs in the balance anytime you get into an encounter with a law enforcement agent, a power tripping law enforcement agent who thinks that they have authority over you because they got a special uniform and a badge on. So you gotta appreciate that, because it does take balls. No matter, whether she looks harmless or not, she ain't. She's got a gun, and she's been trained to use it, and she's been trained in the thin blue line to see you and I as the enemy, whether they say they're there to protect and serve or not. That's just the reality. I mean, did everybody get a load of the street cop training video that was released a month or two ago? Remember what they said? They don't care about you. They don't care about speeding, breaking the speed limit, putting other lives at risk. They're going to get you, and they're involved in a policing for profit scheme where they're going to economically terrorize you. And if they got to hurt you in the process, ain't no skin off their nose. As long as they get their paycheck and go home safe at the end of the night, they don't care about you. How many instances, how many videos do we have to see where they demonstrate, they don't even have to say it, they demonstrate they don't care about us. They have great disdain for us, great disrespect. Sit on that curb like you're a dog. Put your hands behind your back. Walk backwards slowly. Or in the Daniel Shaver, don't you put your hands up if you do. This is the last day of your life, says Philip Brailsford to a shaking, trembling, fearful, innocent Daniel Shaver. All I got to do is think about what Austin Hopp and Daria Jalali did to 72-year-old dementia patient Karen Garner to know that they don't care about you. And it wasn't just what they did to her on the field. That was bad enough. And then they throw her into a cage and then mock her outside of her cell as they review the body cam footage of them abusing an old lady who trusted them to keep her safe. $3 million settlement for the Loveland, Colorado Police Department, by the way, eventually. And there were 3 cops involved in that, at least 3. There was the entire department, because they ended up covering it up and not releasing that body cam footage right away. But there were 3 cops involved in that. It wasn't just Austin Hopp and Daria Jalali, who both went to jail, by the way, and rightly so, but they didn't get the sentences that you and I would have gotten if we did that to a 72-year-old dementia patient. And then there was Sergeant Metzger. They all had a hand in terrorizing that poor woman. So don't give me this, come on, Brian, will you have a little compassion and understanding? No, they're all a part of that group that does that very thing. And if we were to list names of the innocent people whose lives have been tragically destroyed, families just completely dissolved because the head of the house was sent to prison for years for having done nothing, or simple possession, or escalating a traffic stop to the point where you eliminate somebody's life. It happens every single day. So against that backdrop, I can see why people applaud what Ripple Effect Media is saying to this Leo, this road pirate.
What if I have a bunch of warrants?
Then you have warrants.
Yeah.
So
What if when you looked on the thing it said armed and dangerous? I don't want you to run my name.
Is that the case?
It might be.
Okay, and we can talk that out. It's not a big
No, we're not
deal.
talking.
We can talk that out. That's employing euphemisms like, oh, wow, now you got me. The concern category has just become high. It's red alert. It's red alert right now. Wait a minute. You could have warrants and you could be armed and dangerous. Well, we can talk that out.
Shit out. I'm not talking. I'm not saying nothing.
And that's fine.
All right.
It's fine.
Holler at you then. I don't know why I rolled down the window.
Or do you work in the area?
I'm not gonna answer any questions. Do you work in the area?
Yeah, I mean, I'm a deputy over here.
Oh, a deputy.
Yeah.
You mean a clown?
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Is this your coworker?
That's just some hitchhiker I picked up. Why? What's up?
Oh,
Does he have a
it's your
warrant or
vehicle?
something?
No. No. I'm
Okay.
just.
Then why'd you pull him out?
Bruce and I just like to make conversation.
Bruce Almighty.
I mean, if you
You know, I
want
share the
Nice
same
guy.
birthday as Sean Reyes.
Yeah.
You know that?
Go ahead.
Do you realize that? I'm just saying, I do.
I'm just.
I thought that
listening.
was pretty cool.
Yeah. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's all right.
That was pretty random. I don't know why you threw that in there.
But if I had my trifold with me, then I could talk to you because I'd know what to say because I don't really have a brain of my own. But I don't have my trifold with me.
I don't know what a trifold is.
You don't?
I don't. I'm being honest with you. I don't
Come on. That is just frickin' funny. That is frickin' funny.
know what that
You don't know what an indestructible trifold is?
What is that?
You're behind times.
I guess. I mean, if you
Google
give me the
Google what
knowledge,
an indestructible trifold is.
what does it do?
What does it do? It tells you how to talk to cops. See me, I'm just like fuck you, you horrible bitch. I'm like that to cops. And guy, girl, it doesn't matter. But you notice I was yeah, she hates cops too. We both hate cops. Bad. Yeah.
Okay.
So why do you
The dog is sitting there just cutting its eyes over at her and just growling. I'm with my master, man. We don't like thin blue line pigs.
have him out of the car for speeding?
That's just how Bruce does it. He just gets them.
Oh
all.
fuck! Tell Bruce I said fuck him.
You can tell him.
Fuck you, Bruce.
So,
What's your name again?
Deputy Kelsey Bramer. You can just call me Kelsey.
It's so funny how they have to look on their uniforms to find out what their name was. Oh, my mom pinned it right here. Hold on. Deputy Kelsey Bremer. That's right there. Hilarious. Yeah, Adam says, good dog. Good dog. Good job, Ruby.
See, damn, I hate that you're a cop. Man, cuz you're so pretty.
I do it for my kids.
Get a different job. No,
I do it for my kids.
You could strip and make more money than
No,
fucking.
I'm not going to do that.
Why?
I respect myself too much.
I respect myself. I haven't watched this far into the video. I respect myself too much to strip, but I don't respect myself too much to have me and my partner strip you out of the car against your will and without your consent.
I know what you're going to say because I'm a clown and shit like that.
Yeah, it's a clown. There's no good cops. They're all bad. How many times have you saw lying ass, bitch ass cops lying,
I haven't
making
lied.
false statement? That's a lie.
You
Because
can say that.
You know
can
how many
say
I've
that,
had
but
on
I
the.
know
You know
I'm
how many
honest,
I've had on the
good-working
stand and caught. Man, it's easy to catch you guys in lies because I don't know. It just is.
Oh my gosh, he is totally putting her on the spot. What's up, Chuck Bronson? What's up, News Now Ninja?
But yeah.
I mean, you can say that if you want. So, but it was nice meeting you. I didn't catch your name. I know you're not going to give it to me.
No,
That's not even true. I don't even believe that. It was nice meeting you. You just cussed me out. You told me my profession is crap. You told me that I'm not a good person and nobody I work with is a good person. It was nice meeting you. Huh? Really? Isn't this like our world is built on empty, hollow platitudes of trying to make somebody feel good and try to present yourself as something you're not? That's what I like about this guy. He's raw. This is how I feel. If you don't like it, later dates, biatch.
I'll give you my first name.
You can give me your first name.
It's Brad.
What?
Yeah, but you'll know anyways.
Any profession is more respectable than being a road tyrant, a road pirate.
Because I have a rather large YouTube channel, so you'll be on YouTube.
Okay,
I got 2 cameras going.
well, hey, you
I don't
too.
know if you notice it. Yeah, they'll
I mean, I
love
caught it, but
they'll
I'm
love
not
your
too
attitude
concerned
and they'll
about it.
hate mine, but they all understand that cops are pieces of shit. And I'm sorry that it's that way. It just is.
I'm sorry.
Did you
that
see all?
you
Have you
feel
watched
that
all the
way.
videos of people getting shot and killed by you guys lately, unarmed?
I haven't. Oh, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, you gotta
I'm
go?
done. Yeah, I gotta
Okay.
go. I'm sorry. I'll get out of
Kelsey,
here.
if I ever see you out of that clown outfit, I might ask you out. You
Maybe
ain't-
if you never call me a bitch.
I
or
would
anything
never
like
call you a
that.
bitch.
That'd be
I'm
cool.
hey,
Never tell me I
you know,
could be a
you might not
stripper.
believe this, but I'm the kindest, most loving person in the world. But I hate police.
I am also.
Yeah, I can tell.
So
Good
have a
attitude.
good night, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
I would love to get her body cam footage and see how kind and nice she actually is. And I put that in quotes, kind and nice. So this is from Ripple Effect Media. He was just gut honest. Like, this is acidic honesty. This is like even base honesty, basic honesty of a pH of 14. Acidic honesty with the acid content of the pH level of 1. It's a 1 or a 14. It's just extreme honesty. And I love it. An American law enforcement agent of the state walking up to your vehicle is no different in practice, in action, than a Gestapo member from the 1930s walking up with a swastika band around his arm. No different in action. No different in practice. You can put all the fluffy, kind, nice, protect and serve words behind it that you want. You can use all the friendly PG-13 euphemisms you want to employ, but we know what the truth is because cameras don't lie and cops do.